Welcome back to Tangata Pasifika. Samoan fashion label Mena held a runway show this week in Auckland, launching their new collection.
Yes, indeed. There was also a fundraiser for Fiji for those affected by Cyclone Winston. Sonake Aholele has more.
Pacific beauties strutting their stuff for charity.
Well, we were always going to do a fashion show because we wanted to launch our upcoming collections. And then we heard about the Cyclone Winston event in Fiji. And we wanted to contribute in some way to this, and we thought we could marry the two events together.
A lot has gone into making this fashion show sparkle.
We turn out about 6 to 8 capsule collections a year anyway. So there's a lot of work and there is a lot of grind in it and a lot of hours. A lot of Pacific businesses are coming on board to the event and also come out and contributing their products for our goodie bags.
It's a full house and there's plenty of anticipation in the air.
I'm so proud to come and watch Pacific Talent Showcase tonight.
Oh, it's an amazing cause. You know, the Mena girls have always had their heart with their business, so it's not surprising that they're running something like this.
I really put out a tribute to all the Mena team and thank you for all the work and thank you for highlighting such a worthwhile cause and also bringing us together because we love being together as well.
Deciding to turn the fashion show into a charity event was a chance to give back to the Fijian community.
Most of our production is done in Fiji and we have retail in Fiji, and so we wanted to help out there. We've decided that the particular charity in Fiji that would go to is to Habitat for Humanity. So we'd like to, if we contribute to at least, one home that would be still standing after another cyclone.
And tonight these lucky supporters get to see the new Mena collection.
It is for everybody. It's a lot of our customers, our loyal customers that we've had over the last 10, 15 years. And we haven't done a show in New Zealand for some time, so it's actually helped to focus us in this collection, and we think you're going to love these next 2 capsules that are coming out.
Well, an amazing collection, by the way. Well done, Mena, for putting on something like this for Fiji. And we've got a Mena goodie pack to give away. Email us at competition@sunpix.co.nz with your contact details and be in to win.